So let's assign the laser to the spaceship. Let's go, first of all, let's go to laser and define that when it's created, it will move up, so direction up, and let's go maybe 20 because we want the lasers to go fast. And when it leaves the room, we should have it destroy the instance. So add event, and let's go to other and outside room. So when the laser goes outside the room, if we miss our target, we can go right here where it says destroy instance and destroy itself. That's good. And hit OK. And hit OK. So now let's go to our spaceship and let's go to add an event, and we'll have the space bar be the trigger. So let's go to key press. Actually, yeah, let's go to key press and let's go to the space bar. And then when that is pressed, right, we want to create an instance. So when we press the space bar, we are going to create a bullet, right? So which object? We want the bullet. And then it says what x and y coordinate do we want it to come from. So what we need to do is we need to go down. Actually, let's hit OK, and we're going to have to come back to that. Let's go to our object laser. And what we need to do is we need to go to the edit, and we need to find out, if I go to edit sprite, we need to find out the x and y coordinate of the laser right here. Okay, so down here on the bottom right here, it'll tell you the x and y coordinate. So right in the middle it's 15 and 18, and I want that coming out probably right here. So we're talking about, actually, no, wait a minute. Let's exit out of that. We need to get the coordinates not from the bullet. That's my bad. Not from the bullet. We want the coordinates from the spaceship. So when we go to the spaceship, okay, we need to find the coordinate of that gray area on the spaceship, and that's where we want it to come from in terms of where the laser's going out. So let's go to edit sprite, and we can go back to the editor, and that's going to be, we want the laser to come out right here. So let's go down below right here. If you keep your eyes on that, I place my cursor over it and it says 25 and 6. So let's go back, and I'm remembering that it's 25 and 6. You can also write that down. But when I go to create instance, I'm going to put 25 for the x-axis, and y should be 6. And this needs to be relative so that whenever I'm moving it, it'll be relative to the position I've just moved my spaceship to. So I know it sounds like a lot, but let's hit OK, and let's hit OK and test it out. So we're moving it over, and now I can move back and forth, and you can see that it's coming out actually right over here. So I need to adjust that because I want the lasers to come out at the center. So I'm going to go back and let's change that up a little bit.